Emile Durkheim. Emile Durkheim was a French philosopher and sociologist. He was contemporary of Auguste Comte and very instrumental in establishing sociology as a distinct discipline. जब हम सोशियोलॉजी के ओरिजिन की बात करते हैं तो कुछ सोशियोलॉजिकल थिंकर्स हैं जिनकी स्टडी जो है, जिनका काम जो है, दैट इज कंसिडर्ड एज इंस्ट्रूमेंटल इन ऑर्डर टू अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ सोशियोलॉजी. So, Emile Durkheim is one such classical sociologist who has contributed in a lot in establishing sociology as a distinct discipline. And he was famous for his 4 major works. अब क्या थे उसके 4 important works? They were firstly, The Division of Labor in Society. Secondly, The Rules of Sociological Methods. Third, Suicide. And lastly, The Elementary Forms of Religious Life. So I'll discuss all these 4 types briefly. But firstly, we'll start with the concept of social facts as given by Emile Durkheim. Now, according to Durkheim, sociology is the study of social facts. क्या बोलता है Durkheim? बोलता है that in defining the subject matter of sociology, there are 2 tasks which are involved. The 2 tasks, they are defining the total field of study and defining the sort of things which will be found in this study. So his one famous work, that is The Rules of Sociological Methods, he says he was concerned with the second task and calls social facts as the subject matter of sociology. तो उसने सोशियोलॉजी को डिफाइन कैसे किया है? सोशियोलॉजी क्या है? स्टडी ऑफ सोशल फैक्ट्स. और सोशल फैक्ट्स क्या है? सोशल फैक्ट्स हैं द सब्जेक्ट मैटर ऑफ सोशियोलॉजी. सोशल फैक्ट्स explain the things which would be studied in this particular discipline. इस डिसिप्लिन में हम क्या चीजें पढ़ते हैं वो सब क्या है? सोशल फैक्ट्स. एंड सोशियोलॉजी क्या है? सोशियोलॉजी इज द स्टडी ऑफ सोशल facts. So he defined social fact as the ways of acting, thinking, feeling external to the individual and endowed with power of coercion by reason of which they control him. Now, in this definition of social facts, there are 3 important things which are there. Firstly, social facts are ways of acting. हम कैसे behave करते हैं, कैसे सोचते हैं, feel करते हैं. All these things, he says, they are external to the individual. They are not within the individual, but outside the individual. And these things, they have the power of coercion, that is force. They have some force जिसकी वजह से वो इंडिविजुअल को कंट्रोल करता है. They control him. By reason of which they control him. So these things, the ways of acting, thinking, feeling, which are external to the individual, and they have some power of coercion, that is force, by reason of which they control the individual. So social facts क्या है? वो सब चीजें जिसकी वजह जो हमें कंट्रोल करती हैं, जिसके पास force है to control the individual. So social facts are those social forces in our environment, in our social environment, that influence us, but we cannot change or control them. We cannot change the social facts, but social facts control and influence human beings, individual behavior, individual's way of acting, thinking, feeling. Social facts, they are external to the individual and they control the individual. And sociology is the study of those social facts. So thank you. Thank you so much for listening.